Alejandro Garnacho have now informed Manchester United. He don't send a very big message, give Man United, tell them, Baba, the matter choke. He tell them, say, it's either you allow me join Chelsea or I will stay here and not play football for 6 to 12 months. He just make am clear this night. After we don dey hear say Manchester United rejected Chelsea inclusion of Nicolas Jackson, Ansel Disasi, Christopher Nkunku, Renato Viega, say make they take one of the player so that they fit collect Alejandro Garnacho. Manchester United say no, and Chelsea are willing to pay £30 million, while Manchester United are requesting for £50 million for Alejandro Garnacho. Again, Xavi Simons have now officially agreed personal terms with Chelsea, and also the latest you got to know on Paris Saint-Germain goalkeeper Donnarumma, because rumors don dey report say Chelsea have made contact with the agent or representative of Donnarumma in the last few hours. Now Fabrizio Romano don come out to clarify every of those news. The reason at the beginning is make you use 2 seconds of your time, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are watching from YouTube, and also give us a follow if you are watching on Facebook and TikTok, and likely to drop 1 or 2 comments as we dey do. And we could dive into the matter as e dey hot. As of today, we don dey hear say Alejandro Garnacho is desperate to move to Chelsea, as he don only dey prepare, making hear call say hello, how far dey travel to your medical, him go rush travel. Say the only thing Alejandro Garnacho is now waiting for is for him to hear, Baba, we don agree deal with Chelsea, you fit now go travel your medical. Apart from that, Alejandro Garnacho don tell Man United clear. You can see the passion on the player, you can see the eagerness on him to join the biggest club in the world. Baba, our own be say, do you want to play for the biggest club in the world? We will convince you. Chelsea is going to convince you, tell you everything, that we are going to make you to become that player that Manchester United doesn't want you to be. And like this, Garnacho don't go give 10 man, you not be person, no, even not giving 10 person, even 10 person, just go straight to them, tell them, say, Baba, make una do everything possible to make sure say una agree deal with Chelsea. Because if I not agree any deal with Chelsea, I'm not going to sign for any other club. I'm going to stay here. I will not play football 12 to 6 months, 6 to 12 months. And at the end of the day, when he don't already not play football for 6 to 12 months, and I'm going to say the market price go reduce. Even the that we say Chelsea they price them like this, he go turn to 10 or 12 million pounds. You can imagine player when no play football 1 full year. Because so I think Garnacho himself is putting pressure on Manchester United to send him to Chelsea, and Chelsea are also doing their best. So I can tell you that Chelsea are not quiet. They are working on the deal the same way to Xavi Simons, who have already agreed personal terms with the Blues today. Since we dey talk Xavi Simons, they never agree personal terms. Now today, Xavi Simons officially agreed personal terms after rumors reported that Manchester City have entered the race. Not even rumor, it was clear, because one of the reliable